Hey everyone, welcome back to Civil Structural Concepts. Today, we're talking about construction joints and how to do them right at a beam column junction. Construction joints are planned breaks in concrete work. We use them when we can't pour the whole structure in one go, maybe due to time limits or planned sequence. At a beam column junction, this area is critical for transferring loads, so we don't want a weak spot right where forces are highest. Never place the joint exactly at the beam column interface. This is the point of maximum shear and bond demand. Instead, place the joint about 50 to 100 mm away or 1/4 span of the beam from the column face, inside the beam span. When you stop work for the day, finish the joint with a roughened surface, clean it, and remove any loose particles. Before resuming, clean again and apply a bonding agent or a rich cement slurry. Remember, reinforcement must remain continuous across the joint. The joint is only in the concrete, not in the steel. So, to sum up, keep the joint slightly away from the beam column interface, roughen and clean the surface, and keep steel continuous. That way, your joint will be strong and safe. If you found this useful, like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more civil and structural engineering tips.